Jolene from Ride the Wind e-Transportation. This is a first impression video, okay? This is the new Emmo E-Haul. Yeehaw! We are going to do a first impression of this cargo bike. So first of all, can I tell you, it's $21.99. It comes in 2 batteries, a 48 volt, 15.6, $21.99. I literally asked Vicky, I said, I think you have this wrong. I think you have it wrong. No, she doesn't have it wrong. It's $21.99 right here. $26.99 is for the huge capacity, the 25 amp hour. So first impression just got here. It's long, right? But I was really surprised because it's kind of the Pro series. It's got the bigger screen, the hydraulic disc brake. This is like the E-Wild Pro, the Halo. This is a Halo frame. They've just extended it. So an E-Haul, this is your hauler. Now it's not a fat tire, so it's a 26 by I think 2.1. Actually, I have it right here. Again, first impressions, people. Don't have everything memorized yet. Yeah, I was right, 2.1, because that's the tires that come on this style. 750 peak motor. So Emmo never lags in power. And what would you use this for? Well, my God, you could carry your whole family on this. Now you've got the rack at the front, and then this here. I love the wood, and it's bamboo, so that's kind of nice. It is on the heavier side, okay, but not extremely heavy, but you've got more metal, right? It doesn't come with a side stand, it comes with a center stand. Okay, so she belong. I like this, but again, this is the same size. Oh, they've widened the handlebars. You want to get a shot of this? Because the handlebars are wider. I had to get a close-up of this because they've extended the handles so that this is more of a comfort ride. I love this, and Emmo has not had this in their lineup, and so that looks really good. They have kept the classic you know, the brown seat with the brown handles. So the look of it is very kind of classic and nostalgic, but they've gone with a wider handlebar, which is a nicer riding position. Screen is amazing. This is your Pro screen. So this is going to have your Bluetooth capabilities so that you can, basically you can have your maps on here to know where you're going. Front and rear lights, of course, and they come with signals. So we'll show you that. Front and the back. Adjustable suspension. I can't wait to ride it, but sorry folks, the weather is just not cooperated just yet. So now let's do a long shot of me on this bike. So if you just give us a moment, I'm gonna be a little bit of noise. Back up, sir. So I am 5'3". Okay, now if you like to be tippy-toed, now I do have some shoes with a bit of girth to them, a bit of platformy shoes here. And so I'm tippy-toed. If I had regular shoes on, I'd be very, very tippy-toe. However, when you ride, right, you do want an extension on your leg. You don't want to be pedaling like this. Your knees will not like it. But anyways, this is me on this bike. And could I put my children on here? That's a good question because the laws say that the passengers on e-bikes need to be 16. Am I going to do it anyways? Yeah, I am. I know you will too. Anyways, back here, would I put my children on here? Yeah, but I think what Emmo's going for is, these are very popular in Europe. And yeah, people do put other people and children. We'll have to get Vicky on here and we'll go for a ride in the parking lot and see what that's like. See what the handling's like. But this will conclude the first impression on the Emmo E-Haul. They are killing it with their variety. Like, I don't think there is a e-bike company out there that is doing what they're doing with having so many different varieties. So there's a bike for everybody. So there you go, the E-Hauler.